Have you ever wondered what the future of investments looks like? What role does sustainability play in it? It's a question that's increasingly on the minds of many as the world continues to evolve. As we stand on the brink of numerous technological and societal shifts, it's vital to consider how our investment strategies might need to adapt. Indeed, the significance of thinking about the future of investments cannot be overstated. The growing concern for our environment, coupled with global efforts towards sustainable development, has sparked an increasing interest in green investments. Investors are now looking beyond traditional sectors, recognizing the potential of environmentally friendly industries. They're acknowledging the power of their capital to shape a more sustainable world, one where profits and preservation aren't mutually exclusive. As we move forward, the question isn't, should we invest in the green economy, but can we afford not to? After all, the future of our investments, and indeed our planet, may very well depend on the answer. In the past, investment strategies were different. Let's take a moment to understand them. In the world of yesteryears, the investment landscape was notably different. Traditional investment methods were the order of the day, with the majority of investors placing their faith and their funds in time-tested avenues such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Stocks, or shares in a company, were, and still are, a popular choice. They offered the potential for significant financial gain, but not without risk, as the value of stocks can fluctuate wildly based on market conditions and company performance. Bonds, on the other hand, were seen as a safer bet. These are essentially loans made to a corporation or government, which are paid back with interest over a set period. The risk is generally lower, but so too are the potential returns. Real estate investment was another favored method. Whether investing in commercial properties, rental properties, or flipping houses, real estate offered tangible assets and the potential for both income and capital appreciation. But it also came with its own set of challenges, such as property management and market downturns. Mutual funds, a pool of funds collected from many investors for the purpose of investing in securities, such as stocks, bonds, and other assets, were much loved for their diversification. They provided an easy way for investors to spread their risk across a range of investments. But they also came with management fees and the risk of potential underperformance. Each of these methods had its benefits and potential risks. They offered opportunities for growth, income, and diversification. But they also came with a risk of loss, and the returns were never guaranteed. These methods have served us well, but as our world changes, so too must our investment strategies. With the growing importance of sustainability and environmental responsibility, the investment landscape is shifting. We're moving towards a greener, more conscious approach to investing, where we're not just thinking about the financial returns, but also the impact of our investments on the world around us. In the wake of climate change, a new form of investment has taken root: green investments. But what exactly are these green investments, you may ask? Well, let me enlighten you. Green investments, also known as environmentally friendly investments, are those that focus on businesses or projects that are committed to the conservation of natural resources, the production of clean energy, and the implementation of environmentally friendly practices. Green investments play a crucial role in contributing to sustainable development goals. They not only help in combating climate change, but also promote economic growth and job creation. You see, these investments are funneled into projects that aim to reduce emissions and waste, enhance energy efficiency, and foster the use of sustainable raw materials. Let's consider some examples. Renewable energy projects are a prime example of green investments. These include solar farms that harness the power of the sun, wind farms that leverage the power of the wind, and hydropower projects that take advantage of the energy from moving water. These projects not only reduce our dependency on fossil fuels, but also generate competitive returns for investors. Another fine example is sustainable agriculture. Investments in this area support farming practices that are environmentally responsible, enhance the quality of life for farmers and society as a whole, and protect the welfare of farm animals. In essence, they enable us to produce food in a way that is in harmony with nature, rather than at odds with it. So why should you consider green investments? Well, aside from the obvious environmental benefits, they also offer substantial financial rewards. As the world increasingly shifts towards a more sustainable economy, businesses and projects that are aligned with this trend are likely to experience significant growth. This, in turn, can lead to impressive returns for investors. Green investments aren't just good for the planet, they're good for your portfolio too. Now, with a basic understanding of both traditional and green investments, how do they stack up against each other? When we talk about traditional investments, we're referring to stocks, bonds, real estate, and the like. These have been the go-to for investors for decades. They've proven to offer consistent returns over time, and their performance is well documented. However, they're not without their risks. Market volatility can lead to significant losses, and environmental concerns are increasingly affecting their value. On the other hand, green investments focus on companies and projects that are committed to environmental sustainability. This includes renewable energy, clean technology, and sustainable agriculture, among others. They're relatively new to the investment scene, but they've already shown promising potential. So let's delve a little deeper. When it comes to risks and rewards, both traditional and green investments have their share. Traditional investments can be affected by market trends and economic downturns, while green investments might face regulatory changes or technological setbacks. However, the potential rewards are substantial for both. Traditional investments can provide steady income, while green investments can offer higher returns due to their rapid growth. Next, we look at the return on investment. Traditional investments tend to offer lower, but more predictable returns. Green investments, however, have been outperforming traditional ones in recent years. According to the MSCI World Index, green stocks have outperformed their traditional counterparts by nearly 20% since 2015. Lastly, we consider the impact on the environment. Traditional investments, particularly in industries such as oil and gas, can have a significant environmental footprint. Green investments, in contrast, contribute to reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable practices. As you can see, green investments offer a competitive alternative to traditional methods, with the added bonus of contributing to a sustainable future. With the world shifting towards cleaner and greener solutions, it's clear that the future of investments lies in going green. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth considering how green investments could fit into your portfolio. So, what is the true potential of green investments? Imagine a future where the economy thrives on sustainability, where businesses flourish by aligning their goals with the well-being of our planet. That's the promise of green investments. As we move forward, the green economy is projected to grow exponentially. This growth isn't just a possibility, it's a necessity. We need to transition to a sustainable economy to combat climate change. And this transition is creating a wealth of investment opportunities. Green investments have the potential to transform industries. Renewable energy, for instance, is a sector that has seen substantial growth. It's projected to continue this trend as we strive to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Companies that are developing new technologies to harness wind, solar, and other renewable energy sources represent exciting investment prospects. Beyond energy, green investments encompass a vast array of sectors, from sustainable agriculture to green construction, from waste management to water conservation. The opportunities are boundless. Each of these areas is ripe for innovation, and innovators need investors. Moreover, green investments are not just profitable, they're resilient. Green businesses, by their very nature, are designed to withstand the challenges of climate change. They're built to be sustainable, to adapt and thrive in a changing environment. This resilience makes them an attractive prospect for investors looking for long-term stability. But it's not just about the financial returns. Green investments give us the chance to shape the world we live in, to create a future that's not only prosperous but also sustainable. When we invest in green businesses, we're investing in a vision of the world where economic growth and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. The potential for green investments is vast, offering not just financial rewards, but also the chance to be part of a global movement towards sustainability. It's an exciting time to be an investor, a time when we can make a difference, not just in our portfolios but in the world. The potential for green investments is not only promising, but also vital for our planet's future. As we look to the future, we must consider how our investments can make a difference. It's not just about growing wealth anymore. It's about growing wealth responsibly. We live in an age where each decision, each action, and yes, each investment can contribute to the kind of future we want to see. Green investments offer us an opportunity to do just that. They are investments you can be proud of. Investments that reflect your values and your vision for a sustainable world. But green investments are not just about doing good. They're also about doing well. They offer the potential for high returns, making them an intelligent choice for your portfolio. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing your investments are contributing to a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable future. Now couple that with the excitement of watching your wealth grow. That's the power of green investments. The future of investments is green. Take the first step towards a sustainable and profitable future today.